Overlay Studio is a design editor built into Visual Studio Code and Cursor. It lets you design user interfaces using your own codebase as the building blocks. Once you install it from the extension marketplace, you can open it from the left sidebar and jump straight into a full design editor. Here, I can freely sketch shapes and add text elements to quickly visualize ideas. The canvas in Overlay Studio runs in a real web environment and is connected to your repository. That means I can reuse assets from my codebase, such as CSS tokens. To do that, I can scan the repo, import the tokens, and immediately use them in my designs. For example, let's apply a secondary text color token to this element. I can also import React components from the codebase and use them to quickly mock up ideas directly on the canvas. To do that, I open the Components tab in the left panel. Overlay supports Shadcn components out of the box, with no additional configuration required. If a Shadcn project is detected, I can simply import the available components and click any of them to place them on the canvas. Let's now quickly reposition them inside a Flex container to adjust their position. Overlay automatically reads the component props and makes them editable in the right-hand panel. For example, I can change the button labels and update their variant. Overlay also watches for changes in the codebase and keeps the editor in sync. For example, if I notice that the color of my primary button is wrong, I can open the button file, make the change, and see it reflected immediately in the editor, thanks to a fast Vite bundling process happening in the background. You can therefore use Overlay to work on the design, but also to finalize the implementation. Overlay is currently in beta, but we're shipping new improvements every week. We have a lot of features coming, including MCP support and custom React components, so stay tuned. In the meantime, give it a try and let us know what you think.